Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for 2025, ClickFunnels versus OptimizePress. If you're building sales funnels for your online business, choosing the right tool can make or break your success. I'll break down the key features, pros, cons, and help you decide which one fits your needs. Let's jump in. First up, ClickFunnels. This all-in-one platform is designed for marketers who want to create high-converting sales funnels quickly. It offers drag-and-drop builders, pre-made templates, email integration, and even hosting for your pages. Pros include its user-friendly interface, making it perfect for beginners, and built-in analytics to track your funnel performance. However, it's on the pricier side, starting at around $97 per month, and some advanced features might feel locked behind higher tiers. If you're new to funnel building or running e-commerce, ClickFunnels could be your go-to. Now, let's talk about OptimizePress. This is a WordPress plugin that focuses on creating sales pages, membership sites, and funnels within the WordPress ecosystem. It's highly customizable, with options for A/B testing and seamless integration with other WordPress tools. The biggest pro is its affordability. Plans start at just $99 per year, and it's great for those already using WordPress, as it leverages your existing site. On the downside, it requires more technical know-how to set up compared to ClickFunnels, and you might need additional plugins for full functionality. So, how do they stack up? In 2025, ClickFunnels shines for its ease of use and all-in-one features, ideal for solopreneurs or small teams wanting quick results. OptimizePress, however, is better for WordPress pros who value flexibility and cost savings. Consider your budget, tech skills, and specific needs. Like if you need email marketing built in, ClickFunnels wins. Ultimately, test both with their free trials to see what clicks for you. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which one are you choosing? See you next time.